everybody, it's That's a Lot of Sodium, and I'm back here with a video about metals in their natural form. So, as you can see, I've got a bunch of metals. These are mostly rocks, but I didn't want to peel this off of the pad after gluing it on. So, we're going to start off with this. So, this is pyrite, more commonly known as fool's gold. Here's another piece. It has a silvery look to it, obviously not that light color. This one fell off, but of that pad. Anyways, it can have a yellowy look like gold, hence the name fool's gold, but it more often has this silvery with almost a yellowy tint to it. And then the second thing would be, that I'm going to show you guys, would be copper. So copper is actually the first metal that humans figured out how to, use and create tools with, and they actually found it in pieces like this. So this is called it's called native copper when it's in this, or flow copper is another name for it. You find it mostly in places like Michigan and the Great Lakes area, and that's because as the glaciers receded, it left a lot of that. It pulled up a bunch of large chunks. This is a really tiny piece, and obviously it has a lot higher value than just a copper bar of the same size. So there's not too much about that. And this is hematite. You guys are probably more used to seeing hematite like this, which is a lot more like a metal, but it is still found like this. And what's really cool about it is it's actually, although it's a mineral, not a metal, or it can be in its metal form like this, but this is it in a mineral form. It is actually made with iron. So if you look, if I take this neodymium magnet and I place it on it, it pulls it up. So see, so you can see that it is indeed a very not very super magnetic, but it is actually magnetic. So I'm going to put that back over here. It's very fragile. As you can see, it's flaking apart just in my hand. But, and then lastly, is bismuth, which is a metal. It is not, it can be found in crystal form, but it's fairly rare. I believe this was probably lab grown, but this is what it looks like when it is in crystal form. It's a really beautiful crystal. It's an element just like copper